दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। An FIR was registered in pursuance of investigation naming the driver of the bus as an accused. Charge sheet was filed. But what is relevant is that the appellant filed a claim petition before the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Madurai, under Section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, read with Rule 3(1) of the Tamil Nadu Motor Vehicles Accident Claims Tribunal Rules 1989, claiming a compensation of Rs 1 crore for injuries sustained in the accident. Evidence was led by both the parties and the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal on a perusal of the documents and oral testimonies, including the rough sketch and the charge sheet, came to the conclusion that the accident occurred due to the rash and negligent manner of driving of the bus driver of the bus owned by the respondent state corporation, and thus held the respondent liable to pay compensation to the appellant. In terms of the judgment dated 20/10/2014, the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal opined that the permanent disability of 31% would have to be considered and applied the multiplier method to calculate the loss of earning power. Since the appellant was 23 years of age, multiplier of 17 was applied on the monthly salary of the appellant as a software engineer, and the compensation was worked out for loss of earning power to Rs 9 lakh. The compensation was also attributed under various heads of extra nourishment, medical expenses, physiotherapy, loss of matrimonial aspects, loss of comfort and amenities, mental agony, and pain and suffering. The total quantification of the compensation by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal was of Rs 35 lakh payable by the respondent state corporation along with interest at 7.5% per annum from the date of petition till the date of realization with costs. The respondent state corporation filed an appeal against this order and the appellant filed cross objections. Both of them were considered and decided by the impugned judgment of the High Court dated 27/10/2017 by a common order. The High Court, confirming the findings of negligence of the bus driver, reduced the compensation to Rs 25 lakh primarily on the ground that the multiplier method for quantifying loss of earning power has been wrongly applied, as it had not come on record as to how the injuries suffered by the appellant would have a bearing on her earning capacity as a software engineer. The interest rate was sustained. The appellant has claimed before this court that she is entitled to enhancement of compensation even over and above what was granted by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, and has quantified the same as Rs 41 lakh under various heads, along with claiming a revised interest rate at 12% per annum. We heard learned counsels for the parties. They have also filed short synopses of their respective claims and rebuttals thereof with the appellant, and listing the principles which can apply to her case, the law being now well settled in like cases. We have also pursued the photographs annexed to the petition showing the current physical state of the appellant, though it is stated by learned counsel for the respondent state corporation that the same was not on record in the trial court. Be that as it may, this is the position even after treatment, and the nature of injuries itself show their extent. Further, it has been opined in para 12 of Sandeep Khanuja case that while applying the multiplier method, future prospects on advancement in life and career are also to be taken into consideration. We are thus unequivocally of the view that there is merit in the contention of the appellant. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। उम्मीद मुझे है कि आप लोगों ने इसे अच्छे से लिखा होगा। 120 WPM की जो स्पीड की डिक्टेशन है वो ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइड की जा चुकी है, वो पेड कोर्स में है। अगर आप लेना चाहते हैं तो उस पेड कोर्स को ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं। जो डिक्टेशन यहाँ पर 100 में आपको मिल रही है वही सारे डिक्टेशन 120 की भी स्पीड पर वहाँ पर प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं। सो दोस्तों आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा आपको डिक्टेशन कैसी लगी और मिस्टेक्स आपकी कितनी आई। वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा। आपसे मुलाकात करता हूँ अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।